You think you're in control of your spending. You're not. There is a psychological, invisible force that is hacking your brain to make you buy things you don't need with money you don't have just to impress people you don't even like. And today, Kevin is going to show you exactly how this social camouflage is keeping you broke. Let's be honest for a second. We've all been there. You buy the new phone, you upgrade to the fancy car, or you wear the designer logo not because it works better, but because it signals something to someone else. It's the ultimate paradox. We sacrifice our actual, tangible freedom for the temporary, shaky feeling of status. Kevin used to live this cycle, and it almost destroyed his future. So, why do we do it? Is it just greed? No, it's evolutionary biology. Kevin explains that for thousands of years, status was survival. In a tribal environment, high status meant better food, protection, and mates. Your brain hasn't updated its software in about 50,000 years, but now it's operating in a hyper-capitalist world where companies profit from your ancient desire to fit in. Let's look at the mechanism, the status tax. Every time you buy something to signal success, you are paying a tax on your own freedom. You think you're buying respect, but you're actually buying depreciation. Kevin learned the hard way that when you chase the image of wealth, you destroy the ability to actually attain wealth. It's a rigged game, and the house always wins. If you're starting to realize how much money you've actually lost trying to look rich, smash that like button. It helps Kevin's story reach people who are ready to stop playing this game. And if you're new here, subscribe. We're only just getting started on the roadmap to total financial sovereignty. Let's get back to the solution. So, how do we stop the bleeding? First, the status audit. Take everything you own that was bought for status. Label it. Ask, did I buy this for me or for them? It's a painful process, but it's necessary. Kevin did this audit in his kitchen, and he realized 40% of his expenses were for people he didn't even care about. It's a wake-up call you need to experience. Second, implement the pre-commitment rule. This is a game changer. Never buy any non-essential item over $50 without a 48-hour mandatory waiting period. The psychological impulse is strongest right at the point of purchase. By waiting, you let the primitive part of your brain cool down and allow the rational part, the prefrontal cortex, to actually do its job. It works every time. Finally, the most important shift? Identity. You need to stop identifying as a consumer and start identifying as a capitalist. A consumer focuses on what they can get. A capitalist focuses on what they can build. Every dollar you don't spend on status is a dollar that buys you time, freedom, and your own empire. Shift your focus, shift your life. Money is a tool, not a scorecard. If you use it to show off, you're using a tool to hurt yourself. If you use it to buy freedom, you're building a future. The people you're trying to impress, they're likely just as trapped as you were. Stop paying the status tax and start building your own empire. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who needs this wake-up call. And you don't want to miss next week, where Kevin reveals 5 simple money habits that changed my life, personal finance for beginners. See you there. Kevin out.